Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this cute abstract design. I am going to be using the Saviland kit today. In the kit, it comes with the nail tips, the glue to adhere the nail tips, as well as a tip cutter, a file, and a buffer and a mini light. The nail tips, you'll see in a second, they do have a nice apex. They were flimsier than Prey, but they were still pretty sturdy. They definitely would last well on my own nails. I don't know if I would use them on a client just because I pretty much only stick to Prey, but they are definitely a pretty decent system. And the nail glue, as you'll see here, it's got a nice viscosity. It's not thin. It's thicker than a base coat gel, but probably not as thick as Extend Gel or the Nail Couture Press-On Gel, but it definitely adhered well. The nail tips, they come in sizes 1 to 10. There is no 0. But the sizes were pretty cohesive with any other sizes that I would normally use. But yeah, here you can see the apex. It's a pretty nice apex. So after I get all of the nail tips picked out for each of my nails, I'm just going to shape them up using their file. It came with a 100/180 grit file as well as a buffer. And after I shape them to my natural nails, then I'm just going to take a coarse sanding band and I'm going to etch the underside of the nail that's going to be touching my natural nail, and then as well as the cuticle area, just to smooth that out a little bit to prepare it so it's a little bit more tapered before I apply it to my natural nail. All right, and now I'm just going in with my peel off base coat, so that way I can just do the design and then the tips can pop off. I've mentioned before this peel off base coat is discontinued on Amazon, but there are plenty others on there. I am doing 2 coats of this and just letting it air dry before I go in with the extensions. And I'm just applying some primer underneath of the underside of the extension. And then I'm applying the nail adhesive gel to the extension. And then I'm going to apply that extension to my natural nail at a 45-degree angle, press down, and then flash cure. And here I'm using the lamp that came with the kit. I did apply a little bit of extra adhesive gel on the free edge of my index finger just because it curves down so much. But I'm using the lamp that came with the kit. And I'm just, same thing, applying it at a 45-degree angle, pressing down. And there's a little button inside of the lamp just to press it to cut on. And this lamp is super strong. It cured this, or at least it flash cured it way quicker than my XVX lamp. The XVX lamp is pretty old. I don't know the wattage of either right now off the top of my head, but yeah, it cured it pretty well. So I'm just applying that and then gonna let it flash cure inside of this lamp, and then move my finger out of the way and just wipe off any excess gel that is underneath of my nail or on the sides. And then once all of these are done, I'm gonna go ahead and cure them in the full size lamp for the full time. And after I shape up the nails, then I'm just going to go in with my sanding band, remove the shine off of the surface of the extensions, and then go in with my 5-in-1 bit to clean up the cuticle area. Alright, so after I dust off the nails and brush them off with some acetone, I'm just going to go in with 2 coats of this milky white polish. It is the In Height polish from Amazon. I will link that in the description box. And now I'm going in with D&D French tips, and I'm just going to go in with a little bit like an abstract line of polish at the tip, not in a perfect French line or anything even close, just an abstract. And after I cure the white, then I'm going to go in with Madame Glam's black gel paint, and I'm going to add in some abstract lines at random. Some of them I'm going to fill in with black, and some of them I'll do in different directions. It just depends. Whatever I see fit, whatever I think looks good. Not necessarily only over the white, but mostly, but a little bit overlapping or going into the milky white as well. And I'm also doing lines with various thicknesses, so they're not all going to be the same. All right, you guys, after I do my top coat, then I'm just going to fully cure that. And then this is the finished look. So let me know what you guys think down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And comment down below any video suggestions you have for the future. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.